Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today our journey is towards Savar. So we are going to JahangirNagar University to see a bird fair that is going to be held today. Also our another purpose of going there is to watch the birds that migrates to Bangladesh every year on winter season. So I hope it will be a great day. So let's go. So finally we have reached here since it was early morning when we started our journey, so it didn't take much time to reach here. It almost take 1.5 hours. As cars are not allowed in the campus premises, so rickshaw is the only way for moving. So we took a rickshaw to reach the fair. After visiting the fair, we have decided to explore the campus. So let's go. After roaming around the campus, we are tired now, so we are going back, and I am ending my vlog here. Hope you have enjoyed my videos, and give a like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Make me 1000 please, and stay tuned for upcoming vlogs. So thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.
আমি রাধার প্রেমে পাগল হয়ে থাকবো মগো না 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 যেতে দেব না তোমায় বিদ মাঝারে রাখিব ছেড়ে দেব না।